Welcome back to Learning Self-Defense with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, who's developed techniques using pressure points. The last video introduced a powerful move to break free from a rear neck choke. If you haven't watched it, now would be a good time.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Master's Muay Thai Academy. Along with me, I have my student Ganesh and Smita to teach you a new lesson or a new technique for today. All right. Now, if you have been held by the hair in the front, or you've been held by the neck, you've been held by the collar, or you've been held by the arm or by your wrist, against any of these holds, using the distance of the attacker, you can actually temporarily force them to release the hold. While I say this, again, I want to remind you, all our videos is about teaching you the most simplest ways any layman can learn and use these techniques. I again want to say there are plenty of self-defense videos teaching you different techniques, but not everything can be remembered. But the most simplest thing can be easily remembered. Even if you don't remember, if you have seen the video again and again, it is registered in your mind, which means the mind can help you memorize or make your reflex memory act on its own. At that point of time, if you are facing a situation, that is where we actually are shooting this video, so it will be very useful for all the laymen. All right, let me now demonstrate the technique for you. All right, let's assume he's been held by the wrist or by the shoulder. Now the point of release would be, if you see the jaw here, all right, the jaw line here, from the mouth, let's say around two fingers, there's a depth point here. There's a depth point. You'd use your index and the thumb to, like a claw, on these two depth points here, right? And as you squeeze, it will force the person to lose his control of the arm, and you can bring them down into any different angle you want. This is the main attack when you are being held. After this, there can be multiple ways. You can either counter them, you can hit them, or you can just push them and you can even run away. Because when people are watching these videos, they may say, this technique, okay, they did a lock, but why did they not finish? Please do understand, every layman doesn't know how to hit. They may not be skilled, they may not be trained. But this technique here, when you bring the attacker down from this pressure point, you have learned to control the attacker at that point of time. I want you to focus and learn this thing first. If this can be learned, you have bought time to protect yourself. I hope the message is clear. All right. Now I request Ganesh and Smita to demonstrate this technique in a single flow. Again, let me say, Smita is not a trained martial artist. She's a layman. If Smita can learn in this instant and perform this, please do believe anybody can learn this. Ready, Smita?
Yes.
Let's go. Now let's say a grab of the hair, lock, good, okay, and a knee to the rib. That's one way. Now Smita, let's see a knee to the rib and a knee to the groin. All right, let's go. Grab again, Ganesh. You can see how simply she can just focus on the technique. You can see she has got the right point, and one, and then groin, knee, two. Good, that's nice. So point of focus was to learn the point where you would strike to cause the release, and from there you can act as per your impulse. This is the technique of this moment. I hope you like our videos. Please do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.